So, hi dear Aries, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aries Sun Moon Venus rising from 19th till the 25th of August for those who are in a complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. Okay, if it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Aries, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. Let's see. We have the Strength card, the Eight of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Hierophant. So Aries, this is somebody. I think this is somebody who's holding back this energy to connect with you because right now they are busy working on their financial stability, their money, their job, their career. They feel like putting in the effort and energy in the right direction, and according to them, the right direction is their stability, whatever it means. Especially their financial stability, their money, their job, their career, their promotion, their work. And at the same time, I think this person is working on this energy of being with somebody who can be who can be with them for the rest of their life, like commitment, marriage, and or this energy of, okay, I want to put in the effort and energy in that direction only, where I'm going to get a commitment, where I'm going to get a long term partnership, where I'm going to get that kind of energy of fulfillment, happiness, and happily ever after kind of a deal. So right now they might be analyzing this situation from a distance and trying to understand whether you and them can be together in that manner or not. So that is why this person is feeling like keeping their distance and understanding whether you and them can have that potential, or as they feel like they should just work on themselves, their stability, and work for the situation that can bring them the stability or the long term partnership kind of a deal that they're looking forward to have. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Star, the Three of Wands, a Nine of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Pentacles. I think this person wants to heal themselves before they can come forward and connect with you or reconnect with you again. It's like their intention is to keep moving forward, and until unless they're the unresolved issues, or until unless the pain is gone, they want to keep their guards up. They want to keep their guards high. This person is wounded. This person is hurt. I don't know what happened between you guys, but this person is still fighting with themselves. They're still struggling with this energy of wanting to be with you, because they know that something, okay, some kind of damage was done in the situation, and they're trying their best not to think about the negative portion of the situation. Instead of that, they are trying their best to think about the positive portion, but they're not able to do that. So that is why this person wants to keep a safe distance from you until unless they are going to be completely healed in themselves. Okay, like a personal healing, individual healing. They think like they should not move forward or do anything about the situation. They should put in the effort and energy again, where they are going to find some kind of stability. I think right now they're very focused on money, job, career kind of a deal rather than relationship area. So they want to open up to you only when they are going to be over the pain that they're experiencing still because of whatever happened between you guys. Okay, now let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 25th of August. Let's see. We have the Eight of Cups, the Queen of Swords, the Two of Swords. Bottom of the deck is Nine of Cups. As of now, this person is using all of their power, all of their energy, all of their forces to move on from this connection, because right now they're not confused at all. Right now they're very clear on their path, on their in their mind, in their heart and soul, that right now it's a good idea to detach from the situation and completely move on from the situation. And we will see in the future what we can do about it, but as of now it's not good to reconnect with the Aries. It's not good to create any more mess in the situation because it's already very messy. So according to them, giving you the space and time to heal yourself individually, and giving themselves the time and space to heal themselves individually is a good idea. Yeah. So right now they're working on those things that makes them happy. that is kind of a wish fulfillment for them. Again, it could be money, job, career, financial stability, or they simply have this energy of wanting to be with someone who can give them that happily ever after kind of a deal, a long term partnership kind of a deal. So that is why they are keeping themselves away from you deliberately. To be honest with you, I don't see a single cup in here in this situation. I mean, they think about you, but they think about you very practically, not emotionally. That is the thing here. They're still hurt by something that happened in the situation, and according to them, the damage was too big, that too huge, that they just can't ignore it. So they are being very practical and logically, practical and logically, and according to them, from their heart and soul, they are right now want to move on from the situation towards something better. Like again, stability, lots of stability. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Aries. We have the Queen of Cups. Take care of yourself as much as you can, Aries. Right now, it's very important for you guys to have this self love, self care, self healing kind of energy, because the more you are going to try to find love outside of you, the more you are going to fail, or the more you are going to feel miserable. Because right now, all you need is your love, all you need is your energies of healing, all you need is your connection with yourself. Might be you are trying your best to find love outside of you, and you are failing miserably because you are lacking self love right now at this present moment. So having self love, self care, self healing is very very important in order to get what you really want outside of you also. Okay, so this is the need of the hour. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.